Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Actually, how fast can you actually make a very yummy soup at home? Let Appa show you. So I have some, I'm trying to clear my fridge today, so I found some bitter melon there. So I have removed the center part and then slice it up. I also found some lean meat here. And this is xia pi. Actually, I'm not exactly sure what is xia pi in English. Literally, it means shrimp shell, but it is the super tiny type of shrimp. Yeah, it is not heavy. Yeah, it is actually shrimp shell. Very good for making soup. And then it will give you umami flavor. Then we have some fine salt, some cornstarch, some white pepper, some fish sauce, and a bit of Shaoxing wine. Let's quickly prep the meat here. I'm going to give the meat a little bit of flavor. Yeah, I'm giving some fish sauce, a bit of Shaoxing wine, a bit of white pepper, a bit of fine salt, mix it all up. Not done yet. Last but not least, give it some cornstarch. This will tenderize the pork. Actually, cornstarch will help to keep all the moisture within the pork itself. This is how it gets your pork stays tender. Alright, something like this. Next thing, give it a little bit of oil. And we're going to saute the ginger a bit. Then we can put in the bitter melon. Hot water. Let's bring up the temperature and bring it to a boil. The bitter melon soup started to boil. Let's give it some seasoning right now. I'm going to add in some fine salt. Premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Few dashes of white pepper. Xia pi. Actually, the function of this xia pi is very similar to ikan bilis. The thing is, xia pi can release the flavor immediately. Ikan bilis takes a little bit of 3-4 minutes. Yeah? So this is even faster. You don't even have to cook your xia pi. Just pour hot water onto it. You already got the soup. Today, because I need to cook the bitter melon actually. Yeah. Then our marinated pork. And we shall just let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Then our bitter melon soup is done. All within 10 minutes. Once you start seeing the bitter melon started to change color, it is a sign telling you it is actually ready. Just right before serving, I will give it some fried shallot. Done. That's how simple it is to cook a soup at home. Yeah. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.